Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about the first task of your GTO, that is group discussion. Group discussion is one of the most important tasks if we consider, because अगर आपकी practice को consider करो, because in the overall in the GD, in the SSB you will have to perform 4 group discussion. The first GD will be in the PP&ED section, where you will have to perform a group discussion and come to a common story. The second GD and the third GD will be the first task of a GTO. And the fourth GT will be the second task of GTO, where you will have to perform a group planning exercise. There you will have to discuss and come to a common plan. Today we will be practicing about the first task of a GTO, जिसमें आपको 2 group discussion perform करने होंगे. For the first GT, the GTO will give you 2 topics. Among those 2 topics, you all have to discuss and choose one topic. फिर उस पर आपका discussion चलेगा. The duration of discussion is not fixed. आपके GD पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना अच्छा ग्रुप डिस्कशन कर रहा है आपका ग्रुप. Depending on that, timing of the GD may vary from 5 minutes up to 15 minutes. Each topic most of the times होगा कि आपके टॉपिक के पास 3 subleads होंगी. The main topic and 3 subleads will be given to you. You will have to personally choose one sublead और लास्ट तक आपको उस पर डिस्कशन करना है. You will have to give your points कि why your chosen sublead is better than the rest of the 2. For the second group discussion, the GTO will not give you any option. He will just give you one topic और आपको उस पर डिस्कशन करना पड़ेगा. But not to worry, पहले GT का जो टॉपिक का लेवल है वो थोड़ा above average रहेगा, like international organization, international relation. These kind of topics will be there. For the second group discussion, जो टॉपिक रहेगा वो social issues पे रहेगा, like women empowerment, paid media. So these kind of topics will be there. So it will be relatively simple. तो वहाँ पे GD परफॉर्म करना थोड़ा इजी है, बट दिक्कत ये है कि सेकेंड GD में कंटेंट सबके पास होगा, तो परफॉर्म करना थोड़ा और मुश्किल हो जाएगा. थर्ड GD दैट विल बी अ ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज, वहाँ पे सबके पास और ज़्यादा कंटेंट है, तो परफॉर्म करना और ज़्यादा मुश्किल बनेगा. सो इट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग कि आप पहले GD में ही बेहतर से बेहतर परफॉर्म कर पाओ. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The body posture for the GD will be quite neutral. Your feet will be at shoulder level width apart. Your hands will be resting on your lap. पैर आपके ना चेयर के अंदर रहेंगे ना चेयर के बाहर. You will have to maintain proper 90-degree angle between your shin bone and the thigh bone. Your hands will be resting on your lap. Your spine will be straight, and you will have to maintain proper eye contact with the group members only. Do not look at the assessor. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने group members को देखना है. Is that clear?
Yes.
Do not make unnecessary hand gesture. It will show that you have lack of vocab. But if you are stuck on any certain words, then you can speak in Hindi that word, but revert back to English as soon as possible. And if you want to emphasize on any certain word, like we should come together, India should move forward, these kind of hand gestures are allowed. Do not have to be stuck कि आपको एकदम straight ही बैठना है. It is not so. आप comfortable रहना है. Body has to be neutral, but unnecessary hand gesture अगर आप करेंगे, unnecessary body movements अगर होगी, this will show that you have somewhere lack of confidence. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Shall we start with the GD?
Yes, sir.
So the topic for your discussion will be, which of the following is the major reason that India is still a developing nation? Which of the following is the major reason that India is still a developing nation? First, unemployment. Second, illiteracy. And third is poverty. I'm repeating the topic. Which of the following is the major reason that India is still a developing nation? Unemployment, illiteracy, or poverty? Is the topic clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat it? It is clear? Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to brainstorm your ideas, then we'll start the discussion. Ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
Start your GD.
Gentlemen, in my opinion, what I think that unemployment is the major cause of that India is still a developing country, because as we can see that there is no employment in many of the sectors and the practices like the brain drain are going to take place in our country. This is due to the main reason that government is not working in the proper sectors and to develop new employment as we can see.
It leads to the unemployment, and unemployment directly leads to the poverty. So I believe illiteracy may be the main cause, because since the independence, we have not achieved the 90% literacy rate in India, and this can be the major cause. This can be the major cause of unemployment. And as per unemployment directly leads to the poverty over in India. And this can be the major cause of poverty.
Years. 15 lakhs are added to the line for the again next year, and
Central will be the
Poverty is the result of unemployment.
This illiteracy has been caused due to unawareness among the people. Because there was no midday meal in the school, and so the boys from the villages did not want to go to school. But after 2005 scheme, there has been midday meal in the school. Every school is providing midday meal. So now from 2005 there has been increase in literacy rate. So due to the illiteracy, from 2005 there has been man-related poverty, and this has been the main cause for undeveloping nation.
After the pandemic, that was point.
If the person is educated,
we have also said that
it
government
is better
has
option for
many
this further growth
and we
and
have the
startups and many more
TV itself.
And it
So
will
we
lead to
cannot say that government is not
employment
creating these sectors.
greater role is
They are
there.
developing new platform for the
Indian
learning
economy.
also.
Yeah, I agree that the government is very developing. It has been started in 2020 there has been a scheme on the board masters from class 8 there have been boards and class 10 and class 12. So our education is focusing on vocational education. And we can be more
educated about the
vocational education aids skill. Vocational education aids skill in the people. And it can be a good reason to avoid unemployment. The skilled people generally have very less unemployment. Because they skilled they are
Reduce the unemployment. And this is because we are finding quality education because there's a lack of the skills in the government sector. So we are not getting proper employment in the private sector also. And even after the privatization also, the government is creating the skills for
And there has been the lack of government policy. Since many question papers are getting leaked due to the government policy and some as we can see in Bihar, BPSC question has been leaked after the BPSC was ahead of 2 years and BPSC question was leaked due to some corporate officer. And this has been a lack of unemployment. This is causing many the people who are really skilled, they are not getting proper opportunity.
Because as you can see, the government is working on Kaushal Vikas Yojana, which is also set up the many learning centers all over the towns of the major towns of the India. And we can also see that youth are getting interested in these fields and they are developing their own startups. So we cannot say that education is not getting the proper pay.
That's why they are also unemployment.
Is the cause of the poverty. So first we have to focus on the education and not a bad direction, good direction. NEP also introduced by the government to provide we can reduce good quality education. Create hurdles in the development of our nation. Literacy is very important in the direction, good direction. Suppose in India there are a lot of pupils, they have a lot of degrees, but they are not getting the good education.
These are contributing to the character of
good
officers.
employment.
The officers who are really who are already employed, they are not running their
On the
policies
other hand, we
properly.
saw there
The
are a lot
questions
of
are getting linked before
they are
before the
studying
examination. And these officers are getting called by the government.
for the unemployment.
Yes,
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 what
yes,
we
yes,
have to
yes,
focus
yes,
on
yes, short period of
our
time,
citizen
yes,
development
yes,
because
We want to create a business.
if we
Because the business of health we can
completed
but
our
the other
literacy
person.
level,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have
yeah.
access to
Just number 88 says that it increase the ratio of the brain drain. So if the government increase the startups initiative, then we can observe the all capability of the youth and we can reduce the brain
I
drain
agree with you
also.
one
Yes,
and
I agree with him, but
as per the government is taking initiative against it. The government is really taking initiative, but the awareness on people, awareness on people is not more. They still prefer that the government schools are not properly running. But it is not like that. So that they generally focus on the private schools, and private schools are really high cost. Private schools are really high cost, which only the many poor people are not getting proper education in private school. So they prefer to go for government school. And government school, the people, teachers in government school are not as taking initiative as they should take.
If we talk about the unemployment situation, we have to focus on the literacy.
Yes.
Poverty as well as
the classes and the government unemployment, the IT sector, we can easily overcome the poverty. But those who are not getting jobs are forced to
2025. So we can also measure that education literacy
that is the reason behind the poverty. So first
Yes,
we
it can be informed by the government policy.
and a proper direction, and we can provide the education so that they can meet with the job supply market. So we can overcome the unemployment situation.
We can overcome unemployment by imposing the main reason why people are not going to school is unemployment. Unemployment can be also one reason. Unemployment is causing not a skilled worker.
After that we can easily get the
skilled people can be there by imposing vocational education. Vocational education makes a man skilled.
they are not
and they are not sending their children to
So
school.
education should be based on vocational education. Vocational education provides a skill to the people, and it, the skill makes the people employed properly.
national education policy is totally depends upon to provide extracurricular activities to make children and youth.
Okay, all of you. Just number 26. You'll have to work on your body posture. काफ़ी ज़्यादा inclined हो जाते हो forward पे after participating. Hand gesture काफ़ी हो रहे हैं. You have to control other accent पे work करना है. The regional accent जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके English पे हावी हो रहा है. Number 47. Participation has increased from last time. Voice quality पे work करना है. Clarity of voice is not there. Is not present. ताकि words clear नहीं आ रहे. थोड़ा सा coarse voice है. और सुनो थोड़ा ज़्यादा. You're not giving others chance to speak like people like 92 speaking or 122 speaking or 116 is speaking जो कम बोल पा रहे हैं. So they are speaking, so you should थोड़ा सा शांत हो जाना है वहाँ पे ताकि उनको बोलने का मौका मिले. हाँ, if just number 88 speaking, 114 speaking, 191 speaking, then it is okay because वो आपके बराबर बोल रहे हैं. But there are people जो आपसे कम बोल पा रहे हैं, then give them chance to speak as well. Group dynamics यहाँ पे चेक होगा. Number 88. इनिशिएशन लिया था, इफेक्टिवनेस शुरुआत में थोड़ी कम हुई बट बाद में इंप्रूव हुई. पार्टिसिपेशन शुरू में अच्छा था फिर लास्ट में इंक्रीज हुआ. तो देयर इज नॉट कंसिस्टेंसी इन योर परफॉर्मेंस. योर परफॉर्मेंस हैज़ टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. थोड़े थोड़े टाइम पे बोलो. ये नहीं था कि आपने डोमिनेट नहीं किया, दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. बट पार्टिसिपेशन कम हो गया जितना सा एक्सपेक्टेशन है, तो कम परफॉर्मेंस थी. एनर्जी लेवल वाज आल्सो लो टुडे, सो थोड़ा सा एनर्जी लेवल हाई रहेगा. नंबर 92. एनर्जी लेवल पे थोड़ा वर्क करना है. काफ़ी शांत परफॉर्मेंस थी, थोड़ा तेज़ बोलना है. सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा कम था. पार्टिसिपेशन में विल जो एंथुसियाज्म होता है वो थोड़ा कम था कहीं ना कहीं. अपनी बातों को समझाने की चाहत होनी चाहिए कि लोग आपकी बात सुने. व्हेनेवर यू पार्टिसिपेट लोग आपकी बात सुनने चाहिए. 114. बॉडी लैंग्वेज से वर्क करना है. काफ़ी कंधे आपके खींचे हुए होते हैं, उससे शो करता है कि कहीं ना कहीं यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द सिचुएशन. एंड द सेम वे आपका फेस एक्सप्रेशन भी, आईब्रोज ऊपर रहेंगी, शो करेगा कि आप कंफर्ट नहीं हो इंग्लिश बोलने में. यू विल हैव टू अटेन दैट कंफर्ट लेवल इन द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. फ्लुएंसी पे थोड़ा वर्क करना है. इन्वॉल्वमेंट अपनी बातों में और लेके अपनी बातों को समझाओ ज़्यादा. गैप्स ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, बात लोग समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. तो जीडी में थोड़ा तेज बोलना पड़ेगा हल्का, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन. लेक्चरेट में इट इज़ ओके, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ग्रुप डिस्कशन देयर आर पीपल वेटिंग फॉर देयर चांस टू स्पीक. तो अगर आप वहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्लो हो जाएंगे तो लोग आपको बोलने का मौका नहीं देंगे. Number 116. Energy level was low, participation was also quite low. You will have to participate more frequently. और energy level थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाओ. Same 122. Energy level was quite low. Ineffective participation. कई बार बोला बट लोगों ने आपकी बात सुनी नहीं. इवन बगल वालों ने भी आपकी बात नहीं सुनी. So find gaps जहाँ पे आपकी बात सुनी जाए. आपसे तेज बोलने वाला अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो उस टाइम पे मत बोलो. जब से खराब परफॉर्मेंस जिसकी या फिर जिसको आप थोड़ा बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हो, उनके पार्टिसिपेशन के टाइम अगर आप बोलेंगे तो आपके बोलने के सुनने के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे. 158. पार्टिसिपेशन वॉज इनफेक्टिव, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन एक्सेंट, रीजनल एक्सेंट जो तुम्हारा है वो तुम्हारे इंग्लिश में निकल के आ रहा है, दैट इज इफेक्टिंग योर पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन। 189 हैंड जेस्चर बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, इट इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ हैंड जेस्चर, इतना अवॉइड एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। हर छोटी बात में तुम्हारा हैंड जेस्चर दोनों हाथों से हो रहा है, दैट इज़ नॉट गुड थिंग, नर्वसनेस शो करता है ये। पार्टिसिपेशन शुरुआत में अच्छी थी बट बात आगे जाके इनफेक्टिवनेस आई, लोगों ने आपकी बात सुनना बंद कर दिया बिकॉज ऑफ दैट थिंग। सो बी कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर स्किन, थोड़ा स्ट्रेट बैठो, लोगों की आंखों में आंखें डाल के प्रॉपर्ली कन्वर्सेट करो अपनी बातों को। नंबर 191 पार्टिसिपेशन वॉज गुड बट इफेक्टिवनेस वॉज नॉट देयर, अगेन योर पीपल आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहे लोग आपकी बात आपके ग्रुप में। पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पे प्रोनाउंसिएशन में वर्क करना है, द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ सर्टेन वर्ड्स इज नॉट गुड। ओके, एनी डाउट्स? ओके, थैंक यू ऑल।